Shalom Chavrim. This is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration or a tutorial, if you like, on how to use PageFlip-Flap. So first, what is PageFlip-Flap? PageFlip-Flap is a web tool that will allow your documents, your images, your photos, your videos, okay, to become books and pages that can turn from one page to another and then be shared through email, Facebook, Twitter, a blog, etc. So let me show you how this can work for Judaic instruction or for staff development. So the first thing you do is you choose a file. Let me show you the file that I'm going to choose. And this was an 18-page file on an article that I had written called Linking the Silos Between Jewish Formal and Informal Education. The construct is called Jewish Integrated Experiential Education. But please understand, although this is an academic paper, this could be a paper or an article or an image or a set of images related to any Judaic topic that you study within your Judaic Studies classroom. Okay, I'm just happen to be using this document to show you how this works. So this is the original document, and it's not a flop document which had arrows to go from one page to the other. So I'll show you how we convert this into a so-called flip-flop document. So let's get to the page, and the page you want to get to is www.pageflip-flap.com, etc. Okay, so I'm making an assumption that you can get to this website, and you don't even have to sign in. And then what you do is you choose your file, okay? In this case, we'll click File, choose File, okay? And it should open up my documents. And here is the document linking the silos that I showed you earlier. And let's hit Open. See down here where it says open? We'll do that. And you simply send it to your email address. So let me put my email address in, rdsolomonphd@gmail. Okay. And then you see where it says flip over here on this arrow. You just click over here. And what it is going to do is it is going to send your document into your email address, and it will convert documents into flip-flop pages, and you could share it in a variety of different ways. So let's go to my email address and see if the flip-flop page web tool is there. Okay, so I'm going to my Gmail address. There it is. And sure enough, if you open this thing up, see it says linking the silos, and this is the HTML, or this is the URL. Here's how you could embed it. Let's copy this, or click on this, and you will actually see the document, okay, as pages, right? This was the first page, there's the second page, there's the third page. So it is a way of making your documents, in this case PDF documents, you can convert them into books, and your students can be able to see those books or those items on their computer, and you can also download it over here onto your computer so your students can have individual copies of this. So what have we said? What we have said is that FlipFlop, or PageFlip-Flap, is a web tool that can take your items, particularly PDF items, and convert them into book form through your email, and then you could also share that through other sources such as Facebook, Twitter, etc. And you could use it for your Judaic instruction and for your staff development. Thank you so much.